Hello, I'm Arthur Dahl. We wanted to introduce you to the faculty of this course on sustainable development and the prosperity of humankind. I'm a biologist by training. I studied at Stanford University with a doctorate at the University of California at Santa Barbara. And I worked for a number of years for the Smithsonian Institution in Washington. I specialized in ecology and environment because it was the closest thing to the Baha'i teachings of unity and diversity and understanding how that unity was expressed in nature. I spent 11 years in New Caledonia as a Baha'i pioneer and working as the regional ecological advisor for 22 Pacific Island countries, helping them develop an approach to their environmental problems. I then joined the United Nations Environment Program, where I was Deputy Director of the Oceans and Coastal Areas Program, and then coordinated United Nations System-Wide Earthwatch, coordinating all the efforts at the global level to monitor and assess the global environment and changes that are coming. I was also a Deputy Assistant Executive Director of UNEP. Since my retirement from the United Nations, I've had projects, for instance, organizing a program of continuing studies in environmental diplomacy at the University of Geneva, and working for the World Economic Forum and the World Bank on various projects. Recently, with two other Baha'is, we won the New Shape Prize of the Global Challenges Foundation for new ideas for global governance. In my Baha'i service, I represented the Baha'i international community at the United Nations Conference on the Human Environment in Stockholm in 1972. I was also representative of the Baha'i community to the Copenhagen and Paris climate change conferences, and recently in the Talanoa Dialogue under the Permanent Convention on Climate Change. I also was at the Summit on Religions and Conservation at Windsor Castle in 1995. With some other Baha'is, we organized in 1997 the International Environment Forum, which is a Baha'i-inspired professional organization working on issues of environment and sustainability, now with over 400 members in 75 countries, encouraged in its work by the Baha'i World Center. We've organized this course at Wilmette Institute since 2005, trying to bring together both science and spiritual perspectives to address the challenges of sustainable development and moving the world onto a more sustainable track. I've also written books like the Unless and Until, a Baha'i Focus on the Environment, and the Eco-Principle, Ecology and Economics in Symbiosis, where you'll read some excerpts during the course. I have another book in press. We hope that my half-century of experience with sustainable development will be useful to you as you advance through this course and can help you to develop your own understanding and perspectives of sustainability and the challenges we face and the solutions both scientifically and morally and spiritually. Thank you.